the site plan. This gives you a big overall bird's eye view of the project. Not only that, it gives you the property lines, the parking, the utility, and different access points. Notice here that the scale for every 1 inch that's on this map, that represents 1,000 feet. As you scroll down beyond that, you'll notice the legend for everything that you'll see here on our drawing. I'll also let you in on a few tips. This EX that you see right there stands for existing. So anywhere that you see EX with a dot, that means that that is an existing utility, curb and gutter, storm drain, etc. You'll also notice on our right hand side there's a lot of props being given, and that prop actually means proposed. So here are the proposed concrete, proposed fence, proposed storm drain line, manhole, and so forth. As you keep scrolling down, there's more site data about the actual site and some more details that you may be interested in. But as we zoom in closer to the site, well, we'll notice that there are actually what appear to be houses around the site. So that's useful information to know, because that means you could only you couldn't operate outside of certain times. I've been on construction sites till 3 o'clock in the morning, pretty much all times of night, but that wouldn't work in this type of environment. So as you find the building footprint, and you'll notice that the entry is up right here where it's indicated by the annotation. There is a proposed ADA route. ADA stands for American Disabilities Act of 1990. You'll start to see some underground utilities, and you can trace them, follow them as they make it to their proposed areas. Right here we have a 6-inch drain that then enlarges to a 10-inch drain, and then to a 12-inch drain. As it comes out further to the site, it catches on to another proposed 12-inch drain that turns a corner and then drops down to a 10-inch drain and exits the site. Here you can see the proposed sanitary sewer lines for things like sewage, versus the other drain where it's for things like water, potable water. There's also proposed electrical utilities as well. And most of the things that are existing that I can see are in the lighter colored annotation.